Finishing spray mist for all hair textures and types, for dry, brittle, stressed and damaged hair, breakage, tangles and frizz. Nourishes, moisturizes, restores and revitalizes damaged strands, leaving your hair smooth and shiny. Rich in vitamin E, fatty acids and antioxidants that infuse your hair with a boost of nutrients and natural UV protection. Formulated with argan oil and vitamin E. This finishing spray mist is made in the USA and safe for the entire family. Moisturizes brittle hair. Provides shining luster. OK Coconut oil mist has deep moisturizing properties that leaves hair with a shining luster and a soft feel which revives damaged brittle hair. Prevents split ends. Provides shining luster. OK Vitamin E mist prevents split ends and repairs damage caused by heat and chemical treatment. Restores damaged hair. Provides shining luster. OK Argan oil stops the roughness of hair while enhancing elasticity, manageability, shine. Prevents hair loss. Provides shining luster. OK olive oil mist prevents hair loss, nourishes, conditions, and improves the strength of hair. Top reviews from the United States. It is a very good spray oil to use on your hair. The oil has a great smell. I wish it came in more Oz. It does an excellent job to your hair.